in and come out. Okay? So can or not? So the rest, I believe you know what to do. Okay, can we go to question 4? Can we go to question 4? Can we move to question 4 in page 34 of your textbook? Okay, part A. Okay, they give you a function y equal to 2x minus 4 root x, right? Hello? Okay. So you are supposed to find the dy dx, the rate of change function. Okay. Carol, Rampa, can you give me the answer?
Yes, miss. So after that is wait 2
2.
minus wait, yeah, 2 minus then after that I'm not sure, miss.
Hello?
Oh wait. I think wait.
How
Give me a
can you
second.
say you are not sure? We just
Is
did it
it?
here. We just
Is
did it
it?
here.
Yeah, I got it. 2
Okay.
divided.
So 4 times half. Am I right? Bring down
Yeah.
the power. Time by the power.
Yeah.
Then power. Then power.
Half.
Rampa. Half. Take away 1. How to be half?
Hey, wait. Power.
Half take away 1. You still have to think so long. That is not right.
Wait. Negative 1/2.
Yeah, you have to be very quick with that, can or not? Okay, so we have to simplify to be used for the next part. All right, so this will be 2 over square root 2, square root x, correct? So the next part of the question, part B. So what should I do with part B? Christopher?
Or substitute the x value into the dy dx.
Why?
Because you're trying to find the gradient of
You kind of find the gradient of tangent,
tangent.
because the question says, hence find the gradient of tangent. So you will write down there, gradient. If you are the word person, you better write down gradient of tangent at x equal to 9 is, so you sub in. Okay, 2, take away 2 divide by square root of 9. Okay, Christopher?
4/3.
4 over 3. So the answer is 4 over 3. So do I need to show how to get the answer? Do I need to show how to get the answer?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay. Yes, please. Why? Kavan, you tell me why yes, please?
Cause I blur already.
Why you
I don't know how
blur?
to solve.
Why you don't know how to solve? This is 2. What is square root of 9?
Oh, never mind. See wrong. Sorry.
Ha. Okay. So this will be 6 over 3 minus 2 over 3. So this is, you have to remember, this one you must learn how to count manually. That is 4 over 3. So now I add another part to it. Find the equation of tangent at 9, 6. So do you know how to do this? Do you know how to do this? So everyone, please do it. Then after 2 minutes, I will ask you to give me the answer.
Sorry, miss.
Yeah, this is I added in one.
Yeah, no, miss. Can I rejoin the call because I'm a bit when you're speaking,
Okay,
it's a bit
can.
broken. Yeah, thank you, miss. Yeah.
Quick. Is it better now? Have you got the answer? Edina, have you got the answer? Edina. Irdina. Have you got the answer? No. Oh, okay, haven't. Okay. Anyone got the answer? Sinchi, you got the answer? I think today the internet is not good. A lot of people.
Yes.
Yes. Sinchi, what is your answer?
Y equals to 4/3x minus 6.
Okay. Is that correct? Y equal to 4/3x minus 6. So Miss don't need to show you how to get the answer. You don't know, you better ask, if you didn't get this. Okay.
You need to find M first, right?
Hello, young lady. Do we have the M? Do we have the M?
Oh, sorry. Oh, the M.
It's the same point. It's the same point.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. So for this question, correct? Because, okay, for this question, I can straight away use Y equal to mx plus c. Do you know why? Because I got the gradient already. See or not? So you have to read the question carefully. And I also got the point. So this, if I do like that, that means I'm leading you. Okay. Like this first part A, I will give you 2 marks for the differentiation. Second part B, I will give you 1 mark for the right substitution. Then part C, I will only give you 2 marks because everything is there already. You just need to sub into which one? Yeah, Chunyi? What should I do with all this information? Sub what?
So I go to Y mx plus C.
Okay, you have to tell me sub what? Y equal to mx plus c. Tell me how to sub.
Y equal to 6. 4/3 times 9.
Good. Times 9
C.
plus c. Okay, so you cancel off. You simplify.
C equal to -6.
Yeah. So you got this. So now you got 6. Sorry, 6 minus 12, correct? Equal to C. So your C is -6. Then you got this answer. Okay? Hello? Okay, now. Okay, someone Wi-Fi connection is not good. Yeah. Then you have no choice. You have to listen to the recorded, okay? If my Wi-Fi is not good, then you're in trouble. Okay. No choice. Okay. So you try to come in and out again, okay? So if I add one more, part D, find the equation of normal to the curve at 9, 6. So how to do that? Okay, so now today I introduce you with the word. We are very familiar with this already, correct? So now, let me illustrate for you over here. I don't know how is this curve go. We just assume this is your y equal to fx. And this is the point. If I draw like that, it should be reasonable, correct? Because the gradient is positive. Yeah, it should go up. Yeah, so, and the point that I'm talking about is 9, 6. So this line is called a tangent. Correct? So another line which is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, perpendicular to the tangent, 90 degrees. This line, we call it the normal. Okay, so when the question asks for equation of the normal, so what you need to do is the gradient of the normal is equal to -1. This is the rule of gradient of tangent. Are you clear? This is the mathematical rule. If two straight lines, they are perpendicular to one another, the product of their gradient is equal to -1. Line L1, L2, if I name like that. If L1 and L2 are perpendicular to each other, the product of their gradient is always -1. If the product of the gradient of the two straight lines is -1, then I can conclude they are perpendicular to each other. Are you clear? So the moment you see, ask you to find the equation of normal, you will do the same like tangent. First step, find the gradient function, find the gradient of tangent, then after that, find the gradient of normal, then only sub into, you have to do the extra step here. Then sub into y equal to mx plus c. Clear? Okay, so what I need to do is now, at that point, correct? Do I know the gradient of, so now gradient will be gradient of normal. So I will prefer to write down to remind myself I'm finding the gradient of normal. So it will be -1 over, okay, what is the gradient of tangent at the point 9, 6? E shunt.
4/3.
4/3. So what is the answer here?
Negative 3 over 4.
Thank you. Everyone know how to get negative 3 over 4? Hello? Do you know how to get negative 3 over 4? You have to remember, you have no calculator. Clear? Bottom times 3, top times 3. Yeah, you can do like that. Okay? Or you can think in another way. So after you got this, then you got the point. There is 9, 6. Then you sub into where? Tangent and normal both are straight line. Okay, Amanda, what should I do next?
Find C.
Find C. Okay, yes. How to find?
Y equals to mx plus c, and then y is 6 equals to negative 3 over 4 times 9 plus c.
Okay. So this will be 6 plus 27 over 4, correct?
Yes.
So what is this answer? No calculator, please.
51 over 4.
Thank you. So therefore, the equation of normal is y equal to negative 3 over 4 x plus 51 over 4. Clear? Okay. So today you are introduced to how to find the equation of normal. Got it? Okay. So that is how you apply whatever you have learned into the question. Okay. So we are going to discuss now question 5. Can I move to question 5? Yeah. Question 5. So everyone take some time to look through question 5. If you have done question 5 before, never mind, as a revision, nothing wrong. Page 34. Okay. Should I give you some time, or you all have done it already? Can you do? Okay, let's discuss. Okay, I want to ask you a question. My question is the shape of the graph of fx parabola? Is it parabola? Ian, Ayman?
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
What function will have a parabola shape?
X square.
X
What
square.
is parabola?
Parabola, that means the shape of the graph for a quadratic function. This, the moment I say if the shape of a function, the shape of a graph for a function is parabola, then I will know that that function is a quadratic. So be careful. So if I say that if I say like that, the shape of y equal to gx is the shape of the graph. Okay, for y equal to gx is parabola. Okay, so straight away I can conclude that gx is equal to x squared ax squared plus bx plus c. But I'm asking, is this parabola? Is this quadratic? Look carefully. It looks like parabola, but it is not, because fx is not a quadratic function. So this is not a parabola. Because fx is not a quadratic function. So you have to be very careful, young people. You not only look at this one, you have to look at there is another term here. Clear? Hello, class? So it's not a parabola. It look like. So one look, you think it's parabola, so it's not. Parabola only belong to quadratic function, the graph, the shape. Okay? Can or not? Okay, so we are going to do part A. That is, we are going to look for f prime x. Yeah. So before we look for f prime x, what should we do to this term? What should we do to that term? Okay. How to
Simplify.
Simplify? You see, say easy, you simplify for me, huh?
X squared minus 7x plus 16 bracket x to the power of -1/2.
Okay. Now how to give me the f prime x?
2x minus 7 minus 8.
Oh, how to can straight away already, -8. Okay, good, good.
X power -3/2.
Good. Do I need to explain how to get this part? No, no, I assume everyone know. Okay, now The question says, hence show that the tangent to the graph at x equal to 4 is horizontal. So how am I going to answer to this question? Okay, I want to hear from you first. Yeah. Krishanlini?
Yes, Miss.
What should I do with this one, part B? They want you to hence. Hence means you definitely have to use part A. Nah? Hence show that the tangent to the graph at x equal to 4 is horizontal.
Substitute the value of x into f prime x.
Yeah, okay, correct. So I look for f prime 4. Okay. Yeah, Krishanlini, tell me what to do.
2 times 4 minus 7 minus 8 times 4 to the power of negative 3 over 2.
Should I do it like that? Hello?
Yeah.
So everyone know why is it like that? The negative power, you bring it down. And if I have a to the power n over m, so I will take root of m first, then only power. So these are something that every one of us must know. Yeah. So this is equal to 8 minus 7 minus 8 divided by 2 cube. So it's 8 minus 7 minus 1. So answer is 0. So shown. Hello?
Yes, Miss.
Good. So I can take this question instead of set part B like that. I can set the part B question in this way. Find the equation of vertical normal. Okay, so you see, I can play around with you. Okay, so I'm going to teach you from this question. I'm going to teach you how, if I say find the equation of vertical normal. Vertical normal. If the normal is vertical, so you have to think it in this way. If the normal is vertical, how about the tangent? You see, for example, I have a graph. This is a graph. So the tangent, I want a vertical normal. The tangent is horizontal, correct? You see, this one, the tangent. Here is the tangent. We illustrate, sorry. Right? So you look here. This is a tangent. I use red. All right. So this is a tangent. The tangent is horizontal. So the normal must be 90 degrees to the horizontal, correct? So the normal will be vertical. So if I want to find vertical normal, so what I need to do is I have to tell myself that if the normal is vertical, this is telling me the tangent is horizontal. Okay. Are you clear? So this is something that you must have in mind. So if the tangent is horizontal, so now horizontal tangent means what? dy dx equal to 0. Am I right? Gradient 0. Okay, so I have to start from here. I have to put f prime x equal to 0. So how to solve this? Yeah. Can I turn this into one of your questions? I can. So how to find this? Do you want to give it a try first? Okay, everyone give it a try. How to solve for that? That is my 2x minus 7 minus 8 over square root of x then cube equal to 0. Now you try to do. See whether you can do or not. You can solve for x or not until you get 4. I put it in onto another page. Can you find? Okay. I will show you step by step how I solve this thing. Okay. So first of all, I put 2x minus 7 equal to 8 divided by square root of x cubed. Okay. So if I want to get it of the square root, listen, if I want to get it of the square root, I make sure I square both sides. Okay, I square both sides. Are you okay? So I will get it of the square root. So this will be 4x squared minus 7, 14, 14, 28x plus 49 equal to 64 divided by x cubed. Okay. Are you okay? So I cross multiply. I will have 4x to the power of 5. Take away 28x to the power of 4 plus 49x cubed minus 64 equal to 0. Okay. So listen here. This is power 5. So how am I going to find the answer for this one? If I don't have a graphic calculator, if I don't have a scientific calculator, then what should I do? You can do something like called try and error. Correct? Try and error. If you try with x equal to 1 cannot work, you try with x equal to 2. And for this one, our function is fx equal to x squared minus 7x plus 16 over square root of x. May I know what is the domain for this function? Aha. May I know what is the domain for this function? Jen Hao. Jen Hao?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what is the domain for this function? So we have, yeah.
X must be more than 0.
Correct. X is a member of real number, and how you know that x must be more than 0, Jen Hao?
Because if you sub 0 or values less than 0 into root x, you will give out what you call that, and some no
Invalid.
solution. Yes.
No solution. So it's because of this one, correct?
Yeah.
And it is at the bottom, so it cannot be 0. So that's why when you try, you will try with positive number. Okay? So after you got this, you can do by try and error. So you will get, at the end, you will get x equal to 4. When you sub x equal to 4 in, you will see that 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 5, take away 28 x 4 to the power of 4 plus 49 x to 4 to the power of 3, take away 64. So you get this. So how are you going to solve this if without calculator? How are you going to solve this if you don't have a calculator? Can someone enlighten me how to solve this? Hello. I can take out the common factor first. That is 4 to the power of 3. All right. So this will be 4 to the power of 3 minus 28 times 4 plus 49. Then take away 64. So this is 64. 64 minus 8432 112 plus 49 minus 64. You see, you don't have a calculator, your calculator calculated, but don't worry, okay? This one exam, I will not come out like that. I try not to kill you with the calculation, okay? My aim is make sure you know how to differentiate. So this will be 64 times 1. Am I right? Yeah, 64 plus 49, 3, 113. So this is 1 minus 64. You see, the whole calculation becomes so easy. Okay, so you know that x equal to 4. So now, so x equal to 4 is here. So since I want a vertical tangent, so vertical tangent, that means the equation is equal to x equal to 4. That's it. Horizontal tangent, then vertical, I want vertical normal. Yeah, so therefore, the equation of vertical normal is x equal to 4. Clear? If I want a horizontal tangent, then you have to do another step. Are you okay? Hello? Class? So you got a lot of other exercise to do. So please bear in mind, for this SAT1, correct? Anything to do with trigo. If you go to your textbook, page 51, part H. This is for SAT6. SAT4. Okay, so we are not going to deal with anything with the trigo. Are you clear? Class? Okay, now I'm going to end the lesson with page 54. I is talking about second derivative. So listen here carefully. If I have y equal to fx, so dy dx will be equal to f prime x. So how do we interpret this? This is the rate of change of y equal to fx, right? So if from this function, I differentiate again. So this is called second derivative. So that means I'm differentiating f prime x. So I get f double prime x. So this is called second derivative. So how do I interpret this? So this means the rate of change of f prime x. So we call it the rate of change of rate of change. Or we can also call it the rate of change of gradient of y equal to fx. It's the rate of change of the gradient. So if d2y over dx squared is greater than 0, that means the gradient is increasing. So the gradient can be from very negative to become less negative to 0. That is called increasing. Hello? So second derivative. So how am I going to find second derivative? That means, for example, I give you y equal to x cubed. So my dy dx will be 3x squared. So my d2y over dx squared, I still apply simple rule. Yeah, so it's 3 times 2 x to power minus 1. So it's 6x. So that is the meaning of second derivative. you differentiate your f prime x again. So that show you the rate of change of f prime x. So how are we going to use the second derivative? We will use it in chapter 3 later. I will try to bring some in next week. So on that note, I've ended whatever we need to know about SAT1. So please do all the exercises except exercise 2H. That is the trigo part. Are you okay? So class, is there anything? Hello? And there are review set also, review set 2A, 2B. There are more than enough questions for you to do.
Miss,
Yes?
can you explain how to do question 6C under 2F?
Under 2F?
Yeah.
Okay. 2F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. 2F, yeah.
Number 6C.
6C. Aha. Number 1. Is it?
Yes.
So I'm not going to do it. I'm just letting you know that any number I can write as e to the power of ln of the number. Use that concept. Then you will be able to do your 6C. Refer to one of the, yesterday. Yesterday we have discussed that, have we? Did I discuss that with your class? I think so. I said, I leave this with you, then I said I will discuss later, correct? Okay. Maybe I don't. Okay, let me show it to you. Any other base, I won't be able to find the derivative unless it's e, because we only know how to find the derivative of a e to the power fx. Am I right? That is, copy down the whole thing times by the derivative of the power of e. Yeah. So now I convert this to become so this means is e ln 5, I put in bracket times x. So ln 5 is a constant. So when I differentiate this, okay, I copy down the whole thing, isn't it? That is how you differentiate exponential term. Then you time by, okay, can you tell me what is the derivative of ln 5 times x? Can you tell me the answer? Hello, the person who asked me?
5 over 5x.
Okay, no. Young lady,
Oh,
you are
sorry.
using this. You are using this. Because ln 5 is a number. It's not a variable. Don't see ln straight away. Say you have to see whether is there an x inside the ln or not. Are you clear? So this is ln 5. So you put ln 5 here. So if I want, can I replace this back as this? Can. Is that okay? Same go with number 2 lah. So your 10 to the power of x, you change it to e ln 10 times x. So you always have to tell yourself, you imagine this as a. Understand? So in maths, you must know how to imagine. Okay, have I answered your question?
Yes, miss. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, class.
Thank you, miss.
Hello? Is there any further
miss.
question? Yeah, thank you, class. Time's up already. You have to go for another class. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, miss. Bye, miss.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, miss.
Bye.
You may